In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create an invoice in Microsoft Word step by step so you can make a clean professional invoice in just a few minutes. This is perfect for freelancers, small business owners, contractors, or anyone who needs to send a simple invoice without using complicated software. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tutorials like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Microsoft Word on your computer and start with a new blank document. You want a clean page so you can build the invoice from scratch without any distractions. Once the blank document opens, the first thing you'll do is add your title at the top. Type the word invoice in all caps, then highlight it, center align it, make it bold, and increase the font size to somewhere around 20 to 24 points so it stands out clearly. After that, underneath the title, add your business details. This should include your company name, business address, phone number, and email address. You can place this information at the top left or top center depending on the style you want, but the goal is to make it easy for your client to identify who the invoice is from. Next, create the client section, type bill to, and then add your client's name, company name if needed, and their address or contact details. This section helps make the invoice look more professional and organized, and it ensures the invoice is clearly directed to the right person or business. Now, it's time to insert the main table that will hold your invoice items. Go to the Insert tab in Microsoft Word, click Table, and choose the size you need. A simple invoice table usually includes columns for item, quantity, price, and total. Once the table is inserted, fill in each row with the products or services you're charging for. Keep the wording short and clear so the invoice is easy to read. If you need more rows, you can add them as necessary. After entering your items, move below the table and add the total section. Here, type subtotal, tax, and a total. This makes it easy for your client to see the full amount due at a glance. If you want, you can also add a due date, payment instructions, or invoice number to make the document even more useful. Make sure everything is aligned neatly and use bold text for the final total so it stands out. You can also adjust spacing and borders to make the invoice look more polished. Once everything is formatted the way you want, save the document so you don't lose your work. You can save it as a Word file for future edits or export it as a PDF if you're ready to send it to a client. And that's it. You've just created a simple, professional invoice in Microsoft Word. If this tutorial helped you, please hit like and subscribe for more helpful Word and business document tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.